I just got here as the rain's coming, and it's really worth the wee trek. Look at this. Like, that's one of the craters. You can see where it's split to the other crater, and then this other two across there. It's immaculate. This part here, that's where I took this other video. That landslide part there. But that's Michael Science, and I'm not sure what small lake that is, but look at that little break of light there. Oh, there was a bit of screed. There was a bit of screeds to come up. It's going to be interesting going down it because now the wind's up. It's sliding down on my backside. You've just seen this ridge. It looks like the ridge up at Arthur's Seat. You see that ridge there? Follows it. That's a beautiful light bleeding in. Let's walk on, see how far this. That's the rain really coming in now. Which I think they are. Oh, I see where the path goes. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a bit sketchy on this side, it gets a bit narrow, as you can see. A bit of a drop side. Oh well, I'll put this away and take care of my steps.